Welcome back to the channel. Today, Andy's got a new canopy. So it's an MW Toolbox, 1000mm long, 1770 wide by 850 high. Completely brand new and empty inside, which is soon going to be filled up with a lot of 12-volt goodies, fridges, drawers, all that sort of stuff. So far, been to Bunnings, got some treated pine that's 70/30 with some 19mm structural ply that we're going to cut the shape to make the false floor, carpet it, and then we can start the 12-volt build. So a bit of a quick update. We've got the false floor in and it's carpeted. Now we've just sort of put the fridge in to see how it's all going to fit. We've ducked down to Bunnings, got some more timber for the wall, some more carpet, and got some bits and pieces for the 12-volt system. So next step is we're going to kind of set out where all the 12 volts are going to go and put the wall together, put some battens in, carpet it, and get all the 12-volt fitted in, and then we'll do the rest of the fit out after that. So it's another day and Andy's made a lot of progress on his 12-volt setup. So this is the back wall, and what he's done, he's just laid out where he's going to have everything sitting in the final build. So now he's just got to drill all his holes and then carpet it, then remount everything and start wiring it all up. So that's going to look good. This is where it's at the minute. He's put a couple of battens on the back wall here so he can run the cables in behind. He's just got to drill a couple of glands here, one for the starter motor battery feed and the other one for the solar panel feed, and that's it. So we'll check back in a minute when he's done all that. Bit of a progress report. So all of the or some of the 12-volt has now been put in where it should be. This bit of carpet's been put on the wall. We've just got to carpet that wall over there. But also put in a couple of glands. This one's going to be for the solar, and this is from the starter battery to come into the Redarc BCDC. Just coming in behind here from the car. We'll go up onto the roof. All right. So next step is to finish off the start the wiring. We got to put all the accessories into here and wire up the BC-to-DC and all that sort of stuff. So that's next. So we're up to the soldering stage now. BC-to-DC, everything's getting wired up. This is the tedious bit. By hand. So we got the wiring started. You love this bit, don't you, Andy?
Loving it heaps.
Nearly there with the 12-volt. It's been all day. It's now dark outside. That's alright. It's been worth it. So day 3, to be fair, yesterday was a massive day. The first day wasn't huge, but so we've got a lot, or Andy's done all of this. I've just helped here and there, but so the drawer's in, secured, which is good. The fridge isn't in yet, but it's sitting there. It's going to work there. We've put the battery in behind there, secured down, lithium, 100 amps hour, so it's light, it'll sit up there nicely. And then the upright fridge is there, but it's not secured yet. So today, I think all we've got to do is put the Andersons on for the fridges, hook the lithium up, hook the lights up, and that's it. Not a massive day. So hopefully get it finished this morning, and we'll see how it looks. So day 3, finally finished. Stoked with the result. Andy has done an amazing job here. So obviously a 1000-meter canopy we've gone through. So this side, I'll just give you a quick run through of what all was done. So if you come in tight here, you'll see the fuse panel, the Redarc BCDC, flush mounted Hardkorr lights, and a Siggy and a USB socket. Then the 85 litre Bushman fridge, all in and working, already cooled. And if we turn these lights on, up here we've got a, I think it's a 40 or 50 centimeter Hardkorr light, along with a meter strip light there. And these are obviously ones with the 3 different colors in them, so you can have warm light, white light, and a yellow light for nighttime for the bugs. So that's cool. So that's that side. If we come around to the other side, in here he's got the XTM, I think it's an 880 drawer, which fits in there beautifully. And on top of it, a 30 litre King's fridge, which will, I'm assured by Andy, fit an entire carton of beer cans, 30 of them. And then down here he's got a tunnel to put all his chairs, clothes, pantry on the other side eventually. Any dry stuff that needs to be in here can be in here. And he's still got what is, I think, about what's that, 1.5, 1.4 meter tray still at the back, so still a decent sized tray to have as well. So really stoked. Oh, the other thing, we did put solar on the roof as well, so we got solar up there too, which you can see. So that is that. So a 3-day 12-volt install, MW Toolbox canopy. Happy days. Don't forget to subscribe, it really does help out the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.